Ever looked at your reflection and thought, is this really me? I found myself in that exact moment, staring into the mirror, realizing I was stuck in a routine and one that was suffocating me. Every day blended into the next, and I craved a spark, a shift, something to shake me awake. Then one day I decided to take a leap and cook. I knew how to cook the basics, but had never explored it. Walking into my kitchen felt like stepping into a world of possibilities. The vibrant colours of fresh ingredients, the sound of sizzling pans, and the tantalising aroma of spices ignited my senses. My heart raced, a mix of nerves and excitement, as I thought, this is my chance to create something delicious. As I experimented with different recipes, I embraced the messiness of it all. The first few attempts were far from perfect. Burnt edges, punctured eggs, but I couldn't help but laugh. Each mistake was a lesson wrapped in joy. I wasn't just learning to cook, I was rediscovering the magic of creativity in the kitchen. With every dish I made, I felt the weight of routine lift. It wasn't just about following recipes, it was about the freedom to explore, to make something unique, and to share it with others. I began to appreciate the joy in the process, the smells, the tastes, and even the failures. Trying something different reminded me that life is not about perfection. It's about exploration, connection, and the courage to step into the unknown. So if you find yourself feeling stagnant, I encourage you to leap into something new. You might just uncover a part of yourself that's been waiting to shine. Because in those moments of uncertainty, we often find our greatest strengths and passions.